Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about dyes. All of you are knowing that dye is one of the female part of the press tool which is responsible for the component. But in industries the whole press tool is known as die. Die made up of tool steel and die is used to cut or shape material. Now tool steel. What is tool steel? Different types of alloy steel which is suitable for hardness and resistance. So tool steel used for die. Here you can see how die is assembled with different parts made up of alloy steel. Now we will discuss about different types of die. Simple die, compound die, combination die, progressive die. Simple die. Simple die or single action die. Only one operation may perform either cutting or forming on each stroke. Now, what is stroke? Stroke of press machine depends on types of operation. Like in blanking, stroke length is short, but in bending or drawing operation, height of the drawing bend or bending added in stroke length. So it may increase. Okay, now you can see how the simple die acts. Compound die. In compound die, two or more operations may performed at one station, but only cutting operation can be done in this type of die, like blanking or piercing. Here you can see washer tool. Washer tool is best example of compound tool. Advantage of compound die is production rate is too high. Combination die. In combination die also, more than one operation can be done by single stroke. But the difference in combination die and compound die is compound die only cutting operation can be done, but in combination die, bending or drawing operation can also be done with cutting operation. So here you can see how combination die works. Progressive die. Progressive die has a series of operations. At each station, an operation is performed. In each stroke, between each stroke, the piece in the metal strip is transferred. A finished work piece is made at the end of stroke of the press. While the piercing punch cut a hole in the stroke, the blanking punch blanks out a portion of the metal in which a hole had been pierced. Here you can see how progressive die works. transfer die. In transfer die, number of die operating as a complete system. In each die in this system is responsible for adding shape to the part until the workpiece get final shape. Here you can see the video. Single press operates a number of tools. The movement of the sheet metal performed by automation. Multiple die. In multiple die, punch press operates two or more identical die at a single stroke. Here you can see, due to the presence of more dies, the rate of production is also high, and this process is very economical also. I hope all of you have understood. Please go through your book so that it is more clear to you.